So I'm out here in the dairy pasture. We've already grazed this. Yes, there's some grass left, some residue, some weeds, so-called weeds. They've already made milk off of this. And here's one of these so-called weeds. Dairy cows didn't eat it much, but look at what we have in here. The beauty of diversity. Yep, right there. That's the next batch of birds right there. All because there's a weed. Gives them protection, gives them a home, gives us life. Embrace the beauty of diversity. Everybody and everything is different, and yet that is what makes us whole, makes us grow, and gives us new life. Have a blessed day.